Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade, and today we're disassembling the Playfeild on the Gold Strike. So let's go over it first. Well, I'll show you what issues are on this Playfeild and what I intend to do about them. We got a little warpage on that plastic. I'm going to try to get that a little flattened. This has got a little warpage too, so I'm going to try to flatten that a little bit too. The nail that's on the center of underneath this plastic is a little too high, and it's causing that to warp a little bit. You can see I did do a little cleaning here, and I made these cracks disappear a lot more than these. So I took a little yellow paint and I filled in the cracks. They're a little more level now. You don't notice them so much, but when you're playing it, like right here, how far we're away, we can see that crack good. But these ones are kind of disappeared. So we're going to get rid of those. We're just going to fill it in. I'm probably going to do a little touch up around some of the black here, just to get the circles a little more defined. And probably maybe around here I'll do a little touch up later on. But nothing crazy on this one. We'll pull the pop bumpers off. I got new plastic. These are just clear. This is a clear Mylar plate, that's all it is. Some people think that they were glued and they were just fell off over years of adhesion. But let's see. There. I got brand new ones here. I have 3 of them actually. These were from my preview, because I'm going to do that one soon. But I forgot to order brand new ones for this machine, so I'm using the ones for my preview. I'll just have to order 2 more for my preview. So I got 3 in here. But yeah, these are just plastic. They do not stick. So if anybody says, yeah, the adhesive wore out so bad that this is just coming up, no. I've done several of these now, and it's just a Mylar disc that's sandwiched underneath there. What else we're going to do? Probably that's about it. I'm leaving this. This is history. I like history on these old machines. So we're going to leave that. And we are just going to do it a regular. Take her apart, all piece by piece. Polish it, wax it, get up all the switches working correctly. So let's put the camera back up, and let's get the, hold on, I see something. What do I see? What's this? Uh-oh. Yes! More gold. There really was a gold strike back in the day. This is the second bag of gold I found in this machine. Don't tell the owner. This is mine. Alright, so as usual, this will go in my pocket. And we will start tearing apart this machine. There you go. Playfeild's completely stripped down, except for these pop bumpers here. Those I have to desolder and hook them from underneath. But let's get a look at this Playfeild. Interesting thing is up on the top left-hand corner. Could have been a lucky strike or a gold strike, but it's a gold strike. Just, you know, as you figure, you take it apart, see where it's dirty and everything. I like doing all this completely. This way I can get every little nook and cranny cleaned. But look at that. Look at all that crud. Like I said, a lot of these games have never been this tore down since they were brand new. So, I'll leave all these bulbs in here till I'm done cleaning and waxing it. Then I'll rip the bulbs out and put all new bulbs back in. But it keeps the light sockets from getting all dirty and cruddy and stuff. So you leave the old bulbs in, you clean all around it, and then when you're completely done, you put the new bulbs in. But yeah, that's how these top flippers are. They just got that little weird bat thing on top of them. But we'll take care of all that. Flippers, I have to go from underneath to unloosen them. But yeah, that's about it for the top of the Playfeild. Other half of the video will be putting it back together, which will be fun and interesting. And these, I'll have to see how these are removed. I don't know if they just... Oh, okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. I just seen somebody make some of these in plastic. It was pretty genius how they did it. It's just that with the mail and everything right now, it's kind of hard to get certain things mailed to certain areas. Pretty cool. These are interesting. And we'll get that one off too. These will go in a junk box. Cool. Junk box. Those will go with the plastics. Alright, yeah, that's about it. So, in a couple seconds, you'll see it be assembled. I'm back again. You know why? Because my phone made noise. No, I'm back again because I said in a couple seconds you're going to see me put this together. But I just realized this video is too long. So I'm going to make another video of putting it back together. As you can see, it has been polished by up there. And look at the bumper caps are back on. So that means I did a bunch of stuff underneath the Playfeild. So I'm going to make another video on putting this back together. So subscribe to us. Find us on Facebook at Mark's Basement Arcade. And give my daughter a thumbs up. Right between the pop bumpers there. Thumbs up in 3D for editing these videos. And thank you very much for watching. Later.